How with the rotted clock, me just hear that boy has said to him 5-year-old daughter. People, it come like me not hear right because me hear that brother has said to him 5-year-old daughter, say, that's why una love backers, the whole of una love bend over backward, that's why una love backers, cause all Reds love backers too. And Reds, I'm baby mother. People, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. People who know say the Carter family is a set of disgrace, a set of embarrassment. The Carter family is a set of disgrace and embarrassment. This a brother ya pound scream, CMR brother and him baby mother sit down and make the remarks to them 5-year-old daughter. Jaja God. People, let's just jump right into this review because some people are charged some iron for the boy, you know, and him baby mother, you know, because him baby mother sit down there and him baby mother say out of fear mode, say, me I go cut out the party of the clip. How with them people are run down? A clout? A what? Can you imagine a baby mother and a baby father? The baby mother stand up there and the baby father run a remarks saying a 5-year-old and that's why una love backers so because una love bend over. Chaja God. Channel people. Welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. Jesus Christ. Now this vlog here is not scripted one bit because you see this vlog here I come off with rage, anger, adrenaline rush, all you can think of because you see that bomber wall here, him need to go down. And which is why I said to myself, you know, I know everybody fi have pitney, you know. I know everybody can have pitney because I see bomber wall like this brother here, I don't even know him name, and I don't even want to know him name. All I know is a CMR brother. And me I look into myself and me and meds and me I say, yo, it come like this here running at them boy blood. This here pedophile here, that pedophile running at them blood. Like me no know, me can't understand. People, viewers and subscribers, talk to me in the comment section. What is going on with them youth, especially this brother here and him nether brother here. Him nether brother, CMR, the whole family is such a disgrace. Can we see where CMR do him do and then play it off. Both him and him wife play it off and now we see where he's back around with his girl Pitney and the other child, which is his wife's child, and them a friend up and a go like say everything is dandy, mighty and dandy. No, this a brother here pan on a scream. Say something to him 5-year-old daughter where him shouldn't even have thinking in him head for say. Him shouldn't even have meds for say. And he make the remarks for say to him daughter say. The man, yo, I swear nothing. By me even saying it out of my own mouth, I don't even feel right saying it. I not feel right saying this. No, this a bumble will you pound scream. Him have to go down, you know. Him have to go down. Him for go down. And people who can't uphold with them slackness here. No, too many times people I do prank and I make jokes and all of them things they go viral. And them don't know them limit. They don't know them limit. No, we have some clippings with some people I share them 2 cents. Them I shed some light. And I know me alone dark and ignorant and mad right now. No. Me I jump out of character with all of this thing we are going. Because me as a man we have Pitney, have data. See all that bumble here do them things here and then post it up on the media so others can see it. Imagine what go on in a private. Imagine the things them where them boy say in a private. People, come on man, people push that video here viral, push it viral because this have to get some light have to spread upon this because this don't make no sense. This is ridiculous.
Look. My girl. My girl.
Now imagine your brother, CMR, him just apparently bust a case for child sexual act and all sorts of something. Now me watch a video with you now. Real shit in a plate, man. Watch a video with you, CMR brother. the little girl bend down and eat. And before you say to your daughter, say, sit down like a young lady and eat and close your legs, like what me always tell my daughter, you made a sexual remark towards your daughter or about your daughter. And you're there laughing. I'm here one big E that girl. Because I'm not calling woman, you know, one big E that sour girl in the comment. It's a prank. Go suck your mother with a prank, girl. Go suck out your mother. Brawl it, me I tell you not to go suck on your mother. Don't run too much pick the joke over here. Suck out your mother with a prank. Too much pick the joke around over this up here. Too much pick the joke around over this up here. Trust me upon that. Where I come tell man about bumbuckler prank. Birds of a feather flock together. And the mother should have looked for you and tell her, say, oh, so, hey, dark up the place. But instead, you guys laughed. And imagine, Chrissy, you have a man like that around your pity them. We're going to make a sexual comment like that. A man like that should even be around an animal, not even a dog, but I left it with. If a dog have a crutches, I would not left my dog with you. Because clearly you're sick in your fucking head. You're a sick individual who needs to seek help. All they can do when they see me in Jamaica, lick me in my face or kill me and hope me see you before you see me. All they can do when they see me in Jamaica, lick me in my face. You need fucking help, bro. You gonna make a comment like that and me hear a girl like comment about it's a prank. Go suck your mother girl about prank. At dark, you know, me don't even chat about woman so bro. But I tell you say, yo, hey, me say, me don't even talk about woman so that I tell you say this man me get. When me see video that I see the big E that girl talk about it's a prank that it come like this. Actually, they even know it hurt.
My phone. We go up on WhatsApp. I see some people. And my friend mother send share somebody live to me. So I go over there and go watch everything on that. All if you say CMR get arrested from molest. So I start call my brother. Because I say, you know, I don't believe one on the internet because people say anything, you know, forget views. Realize when I get him.
Bumblehole, you are just like your brother. You are just like your brother. So, it is evident. So, the allegations were spread by your brother's name. It come to pass it in your blood too, because for you to be a father making these remarks to your 5-year-old daughter, it's not even say another pitney. Yeah, make the remarks there too. And you shouldn't even make it to no other pitney, but you as a father make these remarks to your own pitney brother. You need to come down. You need to come down. And somebody need to find him and give him some bumbuckler kick and box there. Bumbuckler, you have to come down.
Only hear we CMR dirty stinking brother say about him 5-year-old daughter. No people, come up and make it make sense. What a dirty thinking man and a little dirty thinking girl did they come on live but I never that them a talk about. So was it okay for what you're thinking dirty man say about him little pitney? Me say me don't know how some on the breed now can you have some good man out there want pitney and can't get pitney. Me don't know how all who no breed. Because you can't see say one on a careless and sick drunk or stomach and need to come off the internet. Me don't know want to come and try to justify this man because we don't hear nothing from none of you. We don't too nasty and cranny and sick stomach. If you can't say that about him own a pitney. How you look pan a little pitney. Me don't know what who no breed. Me quietly root and talk. Oh, who no breed drunk? No, sir. And come this morning but me not justify nothing. I will now come clear up. You're supposed to clear it up. You and the man a same dog shit. To on same pit toilet. Oh, you pick that if you say that about in data. Now see and sick stomach. Have views now look sour. No, you know, see all you know. Now go make me sit down for myself today now. Have a lovely day. Bye.
A little girl bent over. She eat her food. And instead of it, tell the little girl to sit down, eat her food properly, you the father proceed to say, that's why I don't love buckers. The whole I can't take buckers. And proceeded to say this not once, not twice, but 3 times throughout the video. The woman in the video, who I guess is the mother, then says, mega cut it out. Pedophilia is alive and well in Jamaican society, and the women are the ones that are enabling it. Take it from somebody where me got through puberty very young. I was very round at an early age, and let me tell you, man them in Jamaica never business about my age. In fact, many of them were enticed. It's like them skin catch a fire when them know them are underage. Now them a claim say it was a prank. It's not a prank. Them just probably never expect say. Me don't know what them did expect. Them never expect the public did gonna react the way the public react. Or maybe they are so used to their lifestyle of pedophilia, them thinks that it normal. I really don't know. Me not know why them feel like that was an appropriate video to put out there. But it's the pick-me, male-centered women that are out here allowing these men to feel like them can do what them do. The mother should have dark up a place when him said that, but no, she said she gonna cut it out. Pick-me, male-centered women. Where you want love? That bad? Relationship? You want that bad? But I don't expect much out of the man, you know. I already give up on men in society. But not only did he think the thoughts, him say it, you know, and him say it so comfortable, and him say it multiple times, which means that this is normal. In them household, this is normal. This is just a normal thing to say. God knows what he's doing behind closed doors. But this is normal. And then the pick-me, male-centered woman, whether they, me I go cut it out. I love you want so bad, relationship you want so bad, that you cannot protect your own child.
Morning to everyone. As usual, as I said, I gave the disclaimer that I may say things that are not aligned with my character because I am pretty upset. I am pretty mad about this. So for the persons that are just coming in, good morning. And the reason for this live, you see them a boy there up there, so and a girl there. Me not go class them otherwise. They were live having a conversation. Are doing what they do best, them blogging or whatever them do. This boy see him 5-year-old daughter bend over. And can you believe backshot coming at the man mind? Can you believe the man associating daughter and I say I saw no love backshot? Your 5-year-old daughter. How can you see, how can anything inappropriate come in your mind for your 5-year-old daughter? I never said 15. I never said 15. I said 5. 5-year-old. If it was your 15-year-old daughter, you would have said to her, hey, Karen, set appropriately. That is not appropriate. Change that. Get up from there. Move. Don't set better. Set yourself better. But your 5-year-old daughter, and the first thing come to your mind, I saw no love back. Yo, it is wrong is a 15. Me just say minute as a 15, me say 5. So I know it is wrong as a, but I am saying, if you see your 15-year-old daughter bend a certain way, you're going to say, Karen, you're bending inappropriately, set properly. You're going to say that to your daughter. But if you see your 5-year-old daughter bend over, and the first thing will come to your mind a back shot. I say, well, I want to love back shot. And the creature with vagina, as my friend would have said, is sitting right there. And the creature with vagina say, oh, you say, cut out that part there. And she say, yes, I'll cut you out. But post it. But you see, one thing with screen recording pages, and I love them, you know. A lot of you may not like the screen recording pages, but I love them. You know why? They always get the things them that needs to be get.
You see that paper towel, yeah? And that we do with boy. We run picnic joke. And send them out. Make jungle justice angle them. You hear me? Now CMR brother. See him look at daughter. I bend over, eat. And before him said to the little daughter, say, yo, darling, get up and or even not even say nothing because she's a child. Not you scratch that. You don't even have to tell her to get up from the stance where she in her. Because that not supposed to be in your mind. If you even tell your daughter, say, get up and sit down or whatever the case might be. Because she there around you or somebody else where she feel protected around. That's what kids naturally feel protected around their parent or parents. And instead of you not even make the remarks, you tell your daughter about some backshot business after you just bust a case and come out.
I better than they give ninja man and keep you to bumbucklad. The man them should have fuck you in a bumbucklad prison. And that's how me feel about you. And cut out all your tongue too. That's how me feel. When I run pick the joke, and then we hear somebody talk about a prank, or cut it out or something like that. Let me tell you something, man. The whole of the family, you know, the family is a bumbucklad crosses on the net, you know. We should have one eraser, one little rubber something. We just rub out the CMR family. Because the whole I want to start no bumbucklad. Really and truly. I may have two pitney. I may tell you, say, as a father, we don't run pitney joke. You hear me? Me say, right now, me a chat about this, and the whole of my skin. Watch out, be a sweat. That be a cold sweat on my skin, brother. Be a cold sweat. The whole of the ear them turn up on my skin. 5-year-old little girl. Are you run them kind of joke there? People, I come over TikTok for the whole day, because that just, me don't even know what else is about this.
You see that topic here is a touchy topic. Because look upon this. Where them people here expect people to think about them. The whole family, the whole bloodline, the whole Carter family. Them not expect people to think that them is a disgrace to society and the public. From the root to the branches. Them not expect that people are going to chastise them whole bloodline, them whole family tree. Right? The Carter family is a disgrace to the public and is a disgrace to the society. A big man like him make them remarks that it's one thing to think something, you know, and it's another thing to say it outrightfully out of your mouth by saying that your child, your 5-year-old child, and that's why you love backers. So come on, people. People, them people, yeah, need for be. Yo, them people I need for come down. Them need to get wiped off of the whole social media, because this what them a do. I wonder where CMR Goodly are telling me them ears right now, or over the phones right now, because this is more things added to the whole fire with this family, you know. This is totally disgrace. Total disgrace. People, viewers and subscribers, share your thoughts in the comment section, because I know none of you would like to see a family member of Uno and make them remarks that too. Feed Uno pitney or feed them pitney, and Uno know say them Uno and them a family. Me a cut off this long time, man. Me a cut off this long time.
You are the mother. You laugh and make joke of the situation. No have no problem with it. Your baby father says something like that to his own child. Regardless of it or not, I'm pitney, but she's 5 years old, she's a baby. And if him can look upon her in that way and say something like that, and for you to be laughing and joking like it's nothing, that goes to show what kind of person you are, what kind of mother you is. A mother like you, mother like you know, you're one of the mother them where things happen to pitney and you don't care. And just laugh it off and not say nothing about it. Yeah man, mother like you, man. Oh, you fear go on and act like him not say nothing or nothing wrong with it. We can't tell you how to raise your child, you know. We only on the internet just looking in, and when we see something wrong, we talk about it. Right now, there is something wrong. And something is wrong with you, the father, and everybody in this family, because clearly no one cares about this child. Yes man, nobody not care about this pitney. Because you are laughing and go on so like him not say nothing. Something definitely wrong with you and the father. And like you said, call CDA. Yeah man, me and one of them advocate for that.
It's a family strike again. No, this is not CMR, but this is CMR brother. Now, I remember the whole allegation with CMR and him stepdaughter, right? Where them said that CMR molested the little child. Now, during that time period, there was another allegation come out that stated that all of the men them in a CMR family is a pedophile.
People, as I say, not every and anybody can be mother and father. It's not every and anybody can be mother and father. And that's another thing what I'm going to say is that I'm grateful for social media in most sense, because You have people out here who really are advocate for the goodness of people. And when them see the wrong things, them highlight it and them speak on it. I like how people can share them opinion and talk about them things. Because you see, like, if it was one time people couldn't get to shed some light on certain things and speak about certain things where we see a go on out here in the public space. So for social media, upon more sense, I'm grateful for it. And definitely, as been saying to people, this yana look good, it look away. And as I say, people, share your thoughts in the comment section. Make me know when you think. I know I'm mad to just the same as me, but you know it go already, man. And vibes and inside with another one. I'm out. Peace.